Well, it's election day here in the United States. This is what we've been looking forward to the last week and a half or so, with being really patient on price action and waiting for good setups. Nothing changes today. Didn't really see hardly anything to take. But we'll see kind of after tonight in the next few days after the election is announced what kind of volatility, if it picks up at all, or what things look like moving forward. So excited for those. But yeah, not a whole lot of action today. This was obviously done on my live stream, Trades by Matt, the main channel. Happens every morning at market open. Let's go and dive into today's recap. Yo! Morning. Happy Tuesday. It's election day here in the United States. I will be streaming at 8 o'clock Central Time tonight for the election. We'll be watching the markets together, watching the results come in. I got to figure out a way to stream YouTube TV, because if I pull up YouTube TV, somehow the browser like blocks it whenever I pull it onto the stream. So I got to figure out how to do that. But we'll watch the results somehow. I'd actually it would be very fun to find a way to watch unbiased results, but I don't really know if that's a thing on the mainstream media. Impossible. I know it's impossible. So like, how do I show a true outlook of what's happening? I don't know. We'll have to figure it out together tonight at 8 o'clock Central. All right, chat. So far, getting little 50-point swings here the last hour or so. Not bad, not bad. The call should call it. No, it's fairly. I think it's split right now. I don't actually know. We can look at it. Oh, it's back up. It dropped a lot. It dropped down to 49.50.8 after peaking at 64. Dropped down to 49. Now back up to 59 on Kalshi. I'm telling you, there's some money to be had. That's besides the point. Whoa, markets are open. We're ripping. Okay. Good luck, everybody, today. I hope you're good luck. It's a great day for the tilted hat. However, I want to encourage us all to not get tilted based on the election results. This happens so far in my lifetime. I feel like it's happened every single election. People are very polarized, but at the end of the day, whatever you write in here is not going to affect anybody else. So probably just don't write it. Let's just watch the markets. Yeah. And then we'll talk about results as they come in tonight at 8 o'clock Central. A little 50-point ripper off the open so far. We are above yesterday's value area high and the overnight highs. We swept that off the open just now at 170. It feels familiar. I feel like that's where we were yesterday. Yesterday's value low down at 2075 or so. So as of right now, I mean, we push 170. If we stay above 170, it seems like it's got, decent legs up into, prior high 240s or something, maybe 240s look decent. We got like a little downtrend here. Should I draw it, chat? Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? I don't know. So we'll see what happens there. As always, I'm gonna wait the first 5 minutes or first 15 minutes to trade, just for my own sake. Don't want to get chopped up, especially on election day. We do have volume here at 200. News-wise on the day, it's election day. It is a red noted news. We've got PMI at 8:45 and ISM PMI at 9 o'clock. Both of those should also be kind of interesting. Well, let's see what happens today. I'm very curious what the volatility looks like today. I honest to God have no idea what the volatility is going to look like. Is it going to be like super choppy? Is it going to be like a 50-point range? Is it going to be like super trendy for some reason? I have no clue. So we're going to figure it out together. Same plan as last week, Matt. That's exactly right, man. Same plan. Just be patient, wait for A+ setups the best as I can. Execute it at the highest level as I can, and find as cheap trades as I can is honestly the way to go. All right, chat. We're 5 minutes in. Make sure you press the thumbs up button down below if you haven't. We need 420 to get lit, and I'm gonna go ahead and play my my Geoguessr for today because I've been looking forward to it after crushing yesterday. Basically a pro gamer now. Why do they have music in here? All right. I've never seen this. Hawaii? Wait, no, that... It's in Europe somewhere. This truck looks old. I'm gonna say like... I'm gonna say somewhere in here. Honestly, I have no idea. It's a random guess. Okay, cool. All right. Sick. Sick. Tropical? Pro gamer. Okay, relax. Is this like the Philippines or something? Like, I'm almost tempted to say like Indonesia or Malaysia or Philippines or some. Cuba, you think? Really? I mean, there's like, here's some words. God Church. It's in English. The heck? I'm gonna say Philippines, man. I don't know what part of the Philippines. Wow. All right. We're back. Oh. God, I know that flag. Chad, I need your help. I know the flag. I don't know it, but I know it. Serbia. Thank you. Now to find Serbia. I thought it was like right over here, no? Bottom left of Romania. Thank you. That one was kind of cheating. Overall, though, 130, 170, and then wrong continent. More stressful than public math? I mean, truly. FOMC tomorrow? No, FOMC is actually on Thursday. Probably because of the election, I guess. But yeah, FOMC is actually on Thursday this week. And it's I thought it was FOMC with a statement. It's actually not FOMC with a statement. It's just or with a conference, or with a press conference. It's actually not. It's just the 1 o'clock news, which usually hits a little less hard. Whenever Powell's talking at like 1:30 is when it normally gets aggressive. Limit down tonight? I really don't think so. We will be watching the markets together at 8 o'clock Central tonight. I'll stream and we can watch the markets and watch the election results come in. If I was a betting man, and if it was a market that I could actually bet, I would say no limit down tonight. Harris win equals limit down. I really don't think it will. I really don't think that either president will cause a limit down. People thought the same thing in 2020. Didn't happen. In fact, it was incredibly boring. I streamed a little bit of it last time. If y'all were around to remember, 4 years ago. It ended up being really boring, and I didn't stream that long. But I'm gonna try it again and see what happens. All right, chat. Turn on your brain caps for this joke. We got news in 1 minute. November 5th, Election Day, Tuesday. I'd never let my children watch the orchestra. There's too much sax and violins. That's a tough one. Tough one to execute. It's tough. Tried my best. All right, here we go. News. It's thin. A little bit of movement. Snapping 300s. We're still super loose. Wait for the spreads to get back. Liquidity to get back in. Getting there, closer. Okay. Books are back to normal for the most part. We had a little sweep up into 320s, magical 20s. Delta was obviously non-existent during that because the spread was so much. You can see on these types of candles, there's like arguably like a 5-point spread or very close to it whenever the candles start doing this. I mean, so far though, absolute grinder of a session. Prior open. I mean, if you like the longs, 80 is not terrible because you can have a 5-6 point stop, which, I mean, it's holding up for the most part. Off the prior open here. It would look something like this. Not a terrible look, right back into point of control. I'm going to give it a shot. Looks like it's probably going to be an instant stop out almost. Five points. I liked it. I thought for a second we were going to get the boost. It ends up running that prior low. I thought we were going to hold it, keep it by a tick or two, which we got close to doing. I'm not shocked to see us run into point of control here. I'm also not willing to give it more than 5 points. 5 points is absolutely fine for me, but no more than that. Not on today. I was wanting to stick around and see if we'd go push IB, but I might call it here. Yeah. So I'm going to go and get on out of here. I'll see y'all tonight at 8 o'clock Central, 8 p.m. Central tonight for the election stream. Obviously, normal stream tomorrow morning also. We'll see you tonight. Peace, everybody.